Let me see that.
Caterpillar.
Hold on, let me focus. What is that?
Mine won't focus either.
That is some kind of gross. That's a caterpillar. Okay. And in here, come on out, Fuss. Oh, it's just not open. Open it up.
Caterpillar.
This is a caterpillar. This is my fussy.
Caterpillar. Oh my goodness! Oh, just bit the head right off. Oh, headless
Oh, going for it.
caterpillar. Oh, she got excited about that. Oh, she just spit the head out.
Did she just? She did. She spit it out.
She just
What
chewed
was
all
she
the...
doing? Sucking all the guts and blood out of it? I never saw her spit it out before.
The head's in her pouch.
Oh, that's nasty.
She loves it though. She's not spitting out. Oh, yeah, she spat out the skin. Caterpillar skin.
Oh my gosh, she is just sucking the insides out of that.
Oh, she's gonna get the whole thing in her mouth.
Hi, Fussy.
She's hysterical.
You gonna eat that last bit, or you gonna spit that out too? Come on.
How come yours is all fuzzy?
I don't know. Does it look fuzzy to you?
Fuzzy, yeah. Yeah, it's very fuzzy.